guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So we're gonna be talking about New Year's goals and resolution and all these things. Okay, I felt like 2018 was a great year for me because I wrote down all my New Year's goals and resolution, and I accomplished almost all of them. I accomplished most of them, but one of them I didn't fully accomplish. So I'm going to talk about a few of my New Year's goals and resolution. And I like to separate mines into, let me get my book. Oh, Kai is up. Let me hurry up with this video. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4. I separated it into 4 sections. The first section being relationship and family, and financial, then professional, and then general. So financial, I want to build my credit. I'm still young, but I want to start the process of actually building my credit, and I want to save. Okay, so those are my 2 goals for 2019 as far as financial is concerned. And then professional, finish all my electives for my registered nurse program and get into clinicals by 2020. So I want to finish my BSN by the time my son is 2 or 3 years old, because I actually want to have another kid, maybe, still up in the air, not quite sure yet. And I want my kids to be close together, so I want to be able to have a steady job and a steady income before I proceed to actually have another kid, so I can have some financial stability and all of that. So in 2 years I want to finish with my BSN registered nurse program. And if you guys don't know, I go to a college in Florida and I do online classes. I took a break to have Kai, but February 4th 2019 is when I am gonna go back to school. Okay, get back into the swing of things and finish my program. I've been procrastinating. I could have gone to school when I was pregnant with Kai, but my first pregnancy was very hard for me, and I just didn't want the emotional toll with being pregnant and also have to do schoolwork and all of that. Some may say I was lazy. I was just trying to enjoy my pregnancy, and for my first pregnancy it was very hard. Okay, so that's why I wasn't going to school while I was pregnant. But I'm going to finish all my electives and actually get into clinicals and finish it. I have a few electives, very few electives to do, and then I can get into my clinical programs. So I need to stop procrastinating and get to it. General, I want to take 1 day a month for me. 1 day a month for me. So Kai will be with his dad, or with his dad and his other brothers and little sister or something, but I need to take 1 day a month for me and for myself. Okay, a lot of times I feel like sometimes I get overwhelmed and I take it out on my husband, and I need to stop doing that. Okay, I need to stop it, like because if I say like I need a break, and he'll definitely help, but I'm not vocal. So take a day for myself once a month, and then I want to be more outgoing, and that is already on the way, because we're about to, I won't even say, be more outgoing. Me and my husband for the past year have been very homebodied and stay at home, because we had Kai and we wanted to nurture him and love him up and stay with him like parents do. But he is about to be 6 months, so we are about to try enjoy ourselves and live our best life. So that's one for general. And another one for general is I want to give back more. Okay, I want to give back to my community more, whether it's, and it's mostly I want to give back in Jamaica. Like a lot of good things happen to me, and I can lend a stretching hand or lend a helping hand, and I want to be able to say that in 2019 I gave back to my people and to my country. So as far as relationship is concerned, I want to forgive more, and we've talked about this last year. I'm not good at forgiving people. I will hold a grudge for years, okay, for years, and that's something I need to get rid of. And another one is just be a better human being and be at peace with myself, spiritually, emotionally, and all of that. And not the rest of them are a little bit more personal, which I won't disclose here on YouTube, because people have a tendency to use things that you put out there against you. So some of them are like relationship, family is under that category, is very personal, so I won't disclose them. But after 2019 is up, I'll go through them and tell you what I've accomplished and all of that. So comment in the comment section what your goals and aspirations are for 2019, for your financial goal, your professional goal, general goal, and relationship and family goal. Okay, and you can also make a vision board. That's a very fun way, and you get to see it every single day. You can hear Kai Kai. You get to see it every single day and manifest things into your life. Speak them into existence. My 3 words for 2019 is going to be healing, consistency, and success. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a happy, successful, blessed 2019, and I'll see you in the next one.